Hey, what's up, guys? Hayden's JBL. You already know it came in. The freaking Anker speaker. I don't remember what brand it was because I don't really give a shit. But, yeah, it's just... I need to switch that freaking blade out, man. Thing's dull now. Damn, dude, it actually came. Like, a legit thing actually came. I was thinking like some fake shit was gonna come. No, it actually came. It actually came. Oh wow, there's actually a charger included. Bro, this was freaking $17. $3 shipping. But $17, dude. It was on eBay. It's not that cheap when you buy it. I've like never used an Anker speaker, so I don't know. There's the charge. I mean, it turned on. I guess we'll do a sound test. Be right back.
Your light is gone, alone the darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. No relation. We got no relation. No relation. It's crazy. And it goes like
Okay, well, I do have one thing to say about it. Like I said, it does sound good. Now, it has bass, obviously, and it's good bass for its size, to be honest. Maybe as much as the JBL Flip 5 or more. It vibrates, you could see it like shaking. But the thing is, it's like, I don't like JBL just for like the bass. I like it for like the actual clarity of the speaker. Some things like these sound a little muddy. Well, if you compare it to a Flip 5, the Flip 5 may not have as much bass, and it may have a lower like frequency response, but it just sounds so clear and crisp. I mean, this sounds good, don't get me wrong. And for $17, I don't regret buying that. Here's a song I played, by the way. It is the Roy Knox. I'm not going to read that. You see it right there? Yes. And I know the speakers in this thing is a There's like a passive radiator back here, an oval, and then there's just like the JBL Charge 4 and Flip 5, there's an oval driver up here. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Now I want to take off these grills. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Something like Pasha S, he like cut it off literally. I might actually do that for videos. But yeah, later guys.